In this video, here we are going to demonstrate how items and bill of materials transferred from Excel to Business Central. For transferring the data to ERP, we need to install Excel to Business Central. If it's installed, you will see Excel to NAV in the Excel shortcut menu. Now we'll check the items and bill of materials are there or not in ERP. As you can see, items and bill of materials are not there in ERP. Now we'll transfer the data to Business Central. Now, we will transfer the data using Excel to NAV. Using our integration, you can transfer the data to multiple companies at a time. The grid shows item and bill of materials in hierarchical structure. The process is completed. Now, check the products and bill of materials are created or not in Business Central. Items are created in Business Central. Bill of materials are also created. You can create not only items and bill of materials but other details like customers, vendors, purchase orders, sales orders, etc. They can also be updated using our integration. For more details, you can contact us with. Thanks for watching.